Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete prompts on Bumble. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. You can see over here I've opened it. Initially, you'll be led to the people interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to delete your prompts, what you have to do is go to your profile interface, tap on the profile option that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the profile interface. Right over here you'll be able to see your profile photo and name. Right under it you'll be able to find the option for complete profile or edit profile. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to edit your profile. Scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for prompts. You'll be able to see all the prompts that you've added over here. So if you want to delete the prompt, it is actually very simple. Simply tap on the prompt that you would like to delete. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the options for update, replace, remove, cancel. So in order to delete the prompt, tap on this option, remove. Now you can see over here that particular prompt has been removed. So like this, you'll be able to delete the prompt. So that is how you delete prompts on Bumble. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.